Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I was up in the Northeast here for a couple days. Was greeted to some of that rain there on Friday, so that was fun. Unfortunately, did not get to see all that snow up north, but I heard it was nice. I heard we saw up to a foot locally here in some of the higher elevations. We got some flurries moving through PA, New York, Southern New England here today. Not a big deal. It really isn't. And this is going to roll through here over the next few hours. Again, nothing we haven't dealt with before. A couple flurries, and it's weakening as it moves east. There is some concern here tonight and into tomorrow. We'll talk about that in a second in eastern areas. But I tell you what, this is not a big system. It's going to be moving in. It's going to have some very light snow with it. Here's 1 a.m., for example. Temperatures around that time, just so you're aware, above freezing along the coast still. So any of this precipitation is likely only going to stick inland here through midnight or 1 a.m. But notice here early tomorrow, I think this is overdone. But the model here, just something to note, parts of eastern Mass, parts of Rhode Island, parts of southeastern New Hampshire, we got a period of snow possible. This honestly, I'm showing you this because it's really our only high resolution model we have. Hold snow in eastern areas through the afternoon. I think that is way too long. Looking here at the other high resolution model we have, it's a lot more progressive. And instead of having all that snow hanging around in eastern Mass, it moves it on off. So I favor this one, but after midnight through the early morning hours, eastern Mass, southeast New Hampshire, parts of Maine can see some light snow. Okay. And through the day, can we rule out a couple snow showers in eastern areas? No, that's certainly possible. But it appears that this will move away Monday night and set us up for, well, you see this next system moving in here. And this is another interesting thing. So what happened last night is going to happen a few times this week. I want to talk about that. I got to switch over to my other model if my technology will behave. There we go. So into Tuesday morning, you're going to look at the radar and you're going to say, holy smokes, we got a period of snow coming in PA. Well, it's going to be moving east and dwindling just like the one last night did. So through the day on Tuesday, you could see a few snow showers here in eastern PA, parts of the Poconos, Binghamton. But again, along the coast, it just dwindles out. And into Tuesday night, we're going to see another very weak system move in to the north, and that can bring a period of snow. So you'll see it here. There it goes. Tuesday night, a little bit of light snow in the mountains. Not a big deal. Same thing on Wednesday. A couple snow showers. Not a big deal. But our bigger system likely arrived very late on Wednesday night into Thursday. And right now, I think it's mostly rain. The model is trying to spit out snow in some of the higher elevations. But if you look at the temperatures here, above freezing at 2,500 feet, largely above freezing even at 5,000 feet. So it's a pretty warm storm here. Right now, amounts generally a tenth to a half an inch should do it here of rain. Maybe, again, we see just a little bit of snow in some of the higher elevations. You look at some of our modeling, you can see the highest of elevations. Whiteface, Mount Mansfield, Mount Ellen, Jay Peak, the Presidential, that area could see a little bit of snow with this, but I think, to be quite honest, it is going to be a little bit of a warmer system here. However, Thursday night, colder air rushes in, and we get some snow showers in the mountains. We're also watching a very weak system here for Friday to the south and into Saturday. Our GFS model here, Friday into Saturday, is much further north with that system, bringing a period of snow to the north, whereas the European here is much further to the south with that system and much quicker. So we'll be watching it. Right now, just to kind of reiterate, a few flurries today. We'll watch tomorrow morning in eastern areas, and then we all dry out for Monday night. And then Tuesday into Wednesday, a couple snow showers to the north. And then we dry it out briefly for Wednesday night, but then that system moves in with warmer conditions for Thursday, with snow showers following it for Friday. And then, like I said, we'll watch whatever happens behind it. So that was a pretty noisy forecast, if we're being honest. 'Tis the season. Get used to it. Lots of fast-moving systems in the winter. We know all about those. So we're going to have to just kind of watch it here. And temperatures are going to be on the colder side here this week. Highs for Monday, 20s and 30s north, 40s coast. We're going to roll with that through Tuesday. And into Wednesday, we do warm up. Thursday, as we noted, is a warmer day with that warmer system. And then behind it, we're right back to where we are now. Temperatures 20s and 30s north, 40s along the coast. And if you look at the longer range, I just wanted to cover this for you. The next 5 days compared to normal, below normal. The 5 to 10 day, which covers the 3rd through the 8th, at or below normal north, at or slightly above south. And then we do see a warmer pattern potentially here into the 10 to 15 day. That would be the 8th through the 13th. But again, that's pretty far out there. So there's still plenty of time for this to kind of shift around. But generally, the next 10 days are colder, trending a little bit warmer as we head into the 10 to 15 day. So that's what we got for you. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you again here tomorrow.